Hello everyone and welcome to First Impressions feature. Today's First Impressions Friday is going to be about an application called Zinnia Planner. Now this is more of a application that is a Bujo journal application and really for those who are mobile first. So it does come on iOS and it is very attractive looking. So we're going to dive into this. It's more of a lifestyle application than a sort of pseudo lifestyle productivity application. So hopefully it gives you all you need to know about this application. Before we begin, today's video is sponsored by ClickUp. Here's a little bit more about them. So this month's sponsor on Keep Productive is ClickUp. And if you haven't heard of ClickUp already, it's a powerful productivity platform designed to be the one place for all your work. Now it's great to have them back on as a sponsor to Keep Productive, and ClickUp has over 200,000 teams using them to get organised and handle everything from to-do lists to resource management. Now with the ability to change views, ClickUp offers a flexible way for teams to design their own workspaces to get things done, and with a huge host of integrations, they can connect with tools they're already using. Most recently, they've added the ability to email externally inside of ClickUp without leaving the workspace. Now, ClickUp are offering an exciting discount off their business and enterprise plans. You can find out a little bit more below, and thank you guys again for coming on, and do check them out in the description below. Anyway guys, thank you very much. Talk soon. Okay, so a little bit of the facts and information before we begin. So first off, I mentioned it's a Bujo style application. It's currently 128th in lifestyle on the Apple Store, at least in the UK, which is a fairly good rating. And they also developed an application called Pigment, which is an adult coloring book. So they do have that sort of experience in this is, and you'll notice, it's very much a mindful way of journaling in terms of the way they set it up. So it has got a good rating on the App Store of a 4.6 out of 5, which is very good to see. And although you do get, I believe it's 3 journals limited to 3 pages each, which is a very slim free plan, but I guess really to get you started. They do have a premium, which is $39.99 US dollars per year for yearly, and that gives you access to unlimited pages, realistic drawing, professional templates, stickers, import photos and exports. Now it's definitely clear that Zinnia has been around for a little bit of time, but it's jumped on this wave of real sort of bullet journal applications and ones that look very attractive. It's a really well designed application, and it actually is available on iPad, which I would say is pretty much the sort of the real, experience and how you can get access to the full features. Now, what's really nice is it's got obviously the ability to use as a journal and planner. You can get started with some of the templates like 2021 monthly lists, or some of the spring ones, student-based ones, or even full journals like blank slate planner, doodle guide jet planner, functional planner, holiday planner, and lots more. This is really designed, I would say, for individuals who are much more visually led with their planners and their journals. And as you can see here, the template section is pretty wide. It's broken into 2 sections, journal and studio. Studio is where you get all of those guides, templates, stickers, collections, journal cards, text boxes, wasabi tape, probably saying that right, washi tape, planner icons, frames, paper packs, and dividers. Now I really like the concept of this application because they're sort of like modularizing bullet journals but on a mobile device. And this is definitely, you can definitely see this with the application, that those people who design stunning looking bullet journals are going to love this application. So one thing that's pretty impressive is the iPad version. It works really smoothly, allowing you to get started with the templates, finding the perfect one for you, and using your Apple Pencil to organize what matters for you and helping you to set that up. What I really like about the templates is you can change anything about them. So for example, you can change the font and the style of them. For example, you can have a modern one, a doodler, a seasonal mode, and you can even have non-dated ones that work on specific productivity systems. Like, for example, a month at a glance has urgent, notes, birthdays, special events, highlights, to-dos, and a calendar. So this application is really well thought out, and also has great iCloud syncing. And if you use both devices, it really gets set up with everything there. It does also have a bunch of stickers and blog posts on the actual studio area that can help inspire some of your learnings. Now, what I would say is this application, you'd have to look into it definitely as your go-to option. It's got a bit of a steep pricing, especially, but however, if you're using this as your planner, to-do list, notes, and also your sort of journal, then it's probably a good application all in one. They've got some great Apple Pencil abilities, so you can really take advantage of that. Realistic drawings help you to go a bit further, and professional templates and stickers are added pretty routinely. The Premium also gives access to import photos and export, so if you want to take things out of the app, it actually works like that too. Now, there is a great video from MenWhoBullet, which I found on YouTube. There are a fair amount of videos out there. However, I found the MenWhoBullet video really is a deep dive into how he uses it to plan and organize his week ahead. So guys, a bit of a different one than we normally do on First Impressions Friday. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you a nice overview. Thank you very much to ClickUp for sponsoring, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Cheerio.